Hi, in this video I will show you how to turn off comments on YouTube. In the first part I will show you how to disable comments on a specific YouTube video, and in the second part I will explain how to turn off comments on multiple or all videos of your YouTube channel. So let's start the video. First, make sure you are signed in to your YouTube account. Once you are signed in, click on profile icon at the top right corner of the page. So click on this and then select YouTube Studio from the drop down menu. So click on YouTube Studio. Once you are in YouTube Studio, click on the content tab on the left hand side. So click on content. Now find the video whose comments you want to disable and click on its title to access the video details. So if we want to disable comments for this video, so click on its title. Now if we open the video, you can see comments are enabled. So as you can see, we can add comments on this video. So if we go back, scroll down and look for comments and rating section. So if we scroll down, click on show more. And this is the comments and rating section. Here you have to choose this option, disable comments. So click on it. As you can see, this option is now selected. Now click save. Changes saved. Now if we open the video again and scroll down, you can see comments are turned off. So that's how you can disable comments for specific video. Now if you want to turn off comments for multiple or all of your YouTube videos, then go to YouTube Studio. Click on content. Here select videos of your choice, or you can select all the videos. Then you have to click on this edit option, and then from drop down menu click on comments. Here select the same option, disable comments, and then click on update videos. Click on update videos. Videos successfully updated. So that's how you can turn off comments on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos.